When we first introduced this truck not too long ago, one of the things that we mentioned that the guy loves to do is pull his boat around with this. So you know what that means, right? He's getting wet, his feet are getting wet, and he's getting in and out of this truck. Fresh water, salt water, could be mud, who knows?
Yeah, he's bringing all kinds of nasty stuff inside of the cab of his truck, so you want to make sure you're protected, man. He spent a lot of money on this thing. You don't want it smelling nasty and looking nasty and damaging that carpet. So a great way to protect the inside of your truck, obviously, is to get yourself a great set of floor liners. These are the 3D Mats USA, and they are nice because they're laser cut specifically for your vehicle. And you can see you got two different options right here. This is kind of more like the plush look, and that's a little bit more of the rugged look.
Yeah, that's what they call the elegant, and that is the Kagu, right? So now you see that it's deep, so you spill something in there, you can easily get rid of it. And the idea behind these is protection, obviously. They're both waterproof. And there's 3-layer construction on this. You got the waterproof outer layer. There's another middle layer designed for comfort and cushion and sound deadening as well. And then on the bottom, this is pretty cool.
This is, so when you flip over the back of this, I don't know if you could almost hear it as my hand goes across it. That's what they call Max Biter. And what it's doing is it's like these fibers are digging into the fibers in the carpeting and like holding it locked in place.
Yeah, like a hook and loop.
Yeah.
Do that again. Do that again.
Like that?
You're like, it's like DJ Bruno. You know, hey, you know what another cool thing is about these? Some liners that you buy, depending on where they're made or what they're made of, you can put them in your vehicle, and on a hot day, you get it back in there and you can smell them, right?
It's not great.
Yeah, these are odorless and non-toxic, so you're never even, it's not like you're going to know that you put them in there, but it's not going to be because of the smell, right? So, options, what do you think?
I like the plush.
I knew you would say that.
You know, I'm the kind of guy who likes, like, you know, tall carpeting, you know what I mean? I want soft. I want to be able to roll around in it.
I like a nice tile floor, you know?
Okay.
So maybe for more utilitarian aspects, maybe we go this direction. And we'll get them both, and then he's got summer and winter.
There you go. All right, he's got options.
So we decided to go with the Kagu, which I think is a great option. Bruno, little fact here. Did you know that Kagu is a Taiwanese word that stands for durability and long-lasting?
Did you know that a Kagu is a flightless bird native to New Caledonia? Well, now you do.
Yeah, now I know you're a human encyclopedia. And I know these mats look great.
They really do.